Welcome to the channel Movies 360 Kill Count, where we count all the kills and deaths in a movie. I'm Aruj, and today we are looking at movie Bodies, 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 released in 2022, directed by Halina, Reijn, and written by Sarah and Kristen. Bodies, Bodies, Bodies is a horror slasher comedy movie in which we see when a group of 20-somethings get stuck at a remote mansion during a hurricane. A party game gone very, very wrong ends with a dead body on the ground and fake friends at every turn as they try to find the killer amongst them. Now let's see the kills and deaths of movie Bodies, 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 and don't forget to subscribe my channel. The girls continue to party until the power goes out at the house. B goes into the kitchen and finds David stumbling against the glass door, his throat having been slit. The other girls run outside to his aid, but he dies. They have no signal to call for help and their car won't start. They run back into the house and fear that there is an actual killer among them. They suspect Max or Greg as they both had motives against David. Alice protests, but the others force her to look for Greg. The girls find Greg in the house gym where he was sleeping and had headphones in. They question him about the items in his bag and accuse him of killing David. But he thinks it's a gag until he ends up grabbing a knife off one of them. The group agrees to put their weapons down, but a struggle occurs when Emma jumps on Greg's back. When he tries going for the knife again, B bashes his head with a kettlebell weight, killing him. Alice is left screaming and crying. Later on, Alice walks through the dark and comes across Emma dead at the bottom. B confronts the girls and tries to warn Sophie about Jordan's gun. Jordan then draws her gun on Sophie and B, thinking B is just lying. Another argument ensues. Sophie then says out loud that Jordan is always talking crap about Alice because she hates her and her podcast. As Alice begins making a fuss, Jordan shoots her in the leg. The girls struggle for the gun and Jordan ends up accidentally shooting Alice through the head. Sophie attempts to take Jordan's gun as they walk up the stairs and Jordan aims at the gun at her. B jumps onto Jordan, who attempts to fire at them. In the struggle, B throws Jordan over the banister where she falls and is impaled by broken glass bottles with a dying breath. Jordan tells B to check Sophie's texts. When the morning comes, B walks around the seats and dead bodies lying everywhere. When B gets out, she finds David's phone instead. She unlocks it and finds a TikTok on his phone where he attempted to use a Gurkha sword to open a champagne bottle because they saw Greg do the same. David had accidentally slit his own throat doing this stunt, meaning there was never a killer and everyone died for nothing.